you know, I'm gonna just go. I'm a sidetrack. I'm a sidetrack because this is really important.
Just elaborate on it.
You know, like so far we've been talking about the glory of my adventure, right? But when I moved to Denver, Colorado, I seen all the money that the moving businesses were making
Right.
with our move out cleanings, right? So they would hire us to do the move out cleaning. We'd make a killing too, right?
Right.
600-800 per unit, whatever. But the movers are making like $4,000. So I'm just like, why am I not getting that bread? So it's a fatal mistake that I did because at that time, my cleaning business wasn't mature enough to start a new venture because I underestimated the amount of effort and time that just one business takes.
Right.
So I decided, I thought I was so smart and I had a great idea. So I decided to start a moving business. We fucking bought 2 trucks like an idiot.
It coinciding with the cleaning business.
Yeah.
So you're moving people's shit, and after the room's empty, it's dirty. Now you're cleaning it.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
But it was a horrible idea. So I went balls deep. I bought 2 trucks, and at that time,
Man,
the fucking trucking industry was booming when I bought them, right? And during COVID, the trucking industry was booming because everybody stayed home and everybody was buying shit. So what I mean by that is the trucks were overpriced.
right. There's large demand.
I paid $80,000 for each truck, 26-foot box trucks, Freightliners, piece of shit trucks.
Piece of shit.
Don't ever buy a Freightliner, man.
Don't do it.
And the thing is, I thought because I had a cleaning business that I could do the moving business. Like, how hard, I'm fucking smart. How hard could it be?
Right.
But the thing is, you don't know the problems. And then on top of that, I underestimated the amount of effort that it takes to even run one business, right?
Okay, yeah.
Especially when the business is not even mature yet. So it still needs it's still a baby. It still needs your attention.
Right.
And now it's split with the moving business. And, the cleaning business is already like, a hypothetical, metaphoric. It's like a 6-year-old kid, right? Still needs your attention.
Mm-hmm.
But then you got the moving business that's 1, 2, 3 months old that really needs your attention. So I wasted a whole year of my life doing this shit. And then we were doing good like in the summer, but then October came and the trucking industry just crashed.
Wow.
Right? Trucking industry crashed, and it was I couldn't grow my cleaning business anymore. It was just operating as is. I had to learn a whole new industry, how to give quotes for moving businesses, how to set up the systems, how to train people how to do it, how to hire, learn the new softwares that I needed to use, learn how to do the quotes and everything, train employees.
Right.
Like it's set up with these, because we were cross state moving, right? So you have to get it's so over regulated with the licenses you have to keep up with, and it's just ridiculous, right? And it came to the point where I had to do Amazon loads.
Wow.
Not me myself, but I had employees do them, right?
Right. Okay.
To pay for the trucks to keep the business afloat. And we even had to take the moving business even had to take a loan, a huge loan from the cleaning business.
Okay, so now it's affecting the primary objective here.
And the whole time I could have been 10xing my cleaning business.
Focus on the cleaning.
But I fucked up and made a bad decision. Alex Ramosi calls it the shiny object syndrome. Oh, I see somebody making all this money over here, and then it's shiny object, so you're attracted to it. But then it's another pile of shit. Every business is a pile of shit that you have to solve and learn. That's all it is. And I had to do that with the moving business, and then like I wasn't gonna go bankrupt. So ultimately I had to move my trucks to Pennsylvania because and Montana because they were paying 4 times more Amazon over there.
Wow.
Yeah, so I had to drive my trucks out there, hire employees out there, register with the states out there, and I'm doing taxes, multiple cross-state taxes.
Yeah, and it's just a headache. It's a pain.
It was just crazy, and it came to the point where like you have an employee that quit, and you have contracts that you already have to do, and if you don't do them, you're gonna lose your license with Amazon, and like they don't give a fuck, right? And I had to fly out of state to finish the jobs. I'm out there fucking sleeping. I'm out there running the loads, driving 18 hours a day, sleeping on the floor of my truck, staying in random places all over I've been all over the United States. That's the only positive thing about that, right? I've seen all of the United States. I've been in the whitest, hickest towns. I've been in the blackest towns.
Something
I've been
good
in the
came out of
most
it.
Mexican towns. I've been in the most beautiful fucking forests. Everybody. These influencers in Thailand and all that came from the United States, right?
Yeah, right.
They like to talk shit about the United States, but
talk about it. Talk about it.
United States, it's the most beautiful country in the world.
Hear that?
We have the best beaches, which are in SoCal.
American and proud.
We have the best forests and mountains, up in Washington, the Ozarks, like the deserts. We have everything you could think of in the United States.
Everything.
Huge cities. It's just ridiculous. And I get, irritated when I hear influencers talk about, oh, Vietnam is so much better. There's so much to do. And it's just like, I made a comment on this one influencer and I was like, bro, we got all that and more in the United States. You're just broke.
You just broke.
We're just broke.
You broke
You're just broke and you can't do shit in the United States because you can't afford it.
Right. And see, people don't understand that there's a reason why so many from other countries want to immigrate into America because it is the land of opportunity.